Namaste. We hear a lot about meditation and its relevance in today's day to day life, and we use this word very casually. But let me tell you, before we start the journey towards meditation and its experiences, we first need to have some idea about what it is. It is not control, focus, or concentration, but with the help of control, focus, and concentration, one will be able to experience the higher states, the meditative states. Meditation is the modern terminology, but the Sanskrit word for it is dhyana, which is the seventh limb in Ashtanga Yoga. So come join us on this experiential journey, a workshop which we have specially designed to share the authentic knowledge with you all. We also have a special guest, Dr. Uday Shah, who is a medical doctor and a spiritual scientist. He will be talking about the scientific benefits of meditation through his research. I welcome you all to register for this workshop, which will be held between 18th to 21st of November, evening 5 to 7 pm. Dhyanam. Discover the inner silence and bliss through meditation. Namaste.